Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for your Social Security number in Portugal. This number, known as NIS, is essential for anyone planning to work or reside in the country. It allows you to access public health care, contribute to the Social Security system, and receive benefits. We will go through the entire process, from gathering your documents to submitting your application, ensuring you have a clear understanding of each step. To begin your NIS application, gathering the correct documents is paramount. You will need your valid passport or national identification card, along with your Portuguese tax identification number, or NIF. Additionally, proof of your Portuguese address, like a recent utility bill, is necessary. If you are employed, an employment contract or a declaration from your employer will also be required to complete your submission. Once your documents are ready, the next step is to visit a Social Security office, or Serviço de Atendimento da Segurança Social. Upon arrival, present all your prepared documents to the official. You will then complete and sign the application form provided. In some cases, you might receive a temporary NIS on the spot, or at least a confirmation that your application has been successfully submitted for processing. Here are a few helpful tips for a smooth application process. Arrive early at the Social Security office to minimize your waiting time. Always bring original documents and have photocopies prepared, just in case. The processing time for your permanent NIS can vary, typically taking several weeks. You can often check the status of your application online or by directly contacting the Social Security office for updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.